Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the features and specifications of the 2025 Komatsu D21, a compact bulldozer renowned for its versatility and efficiency in various construction and landscaping projects. The Komatsu D21 is powered by a robust 2.6-liter diesel engine, delivering approximately 40 horsepower at 2,450 revolutions per minute. This engine provides reliable performance for tasks such as grading, clearing, and light excavation. The hydrostatic transmission offers smooth and responsive control, allowing operators to maneuver the dozer with precision in confined spaces. In terms of dimensions, the D21 features a track gauge of 4.3 feet and a standard shoe size of 11.82 inches. The length with the blade is approximately 11.16 feet, and the height to the top of the cab is about 8.13 feet. These compact dimensions make the D21 ideal for projects where space is limited. The operating weight of the D21 varies depending on the specific model and configuration. For instance, the D21A8 has an operating weight of 8,690 pounds, while the D21P8 weighs around 9,350 pounds. This weight provides stability and balance, enhancing the dozer's performance on different terrains. The blade capacity of the D21 is approximately 1.6 cubic yards, with a blade width of 7.2 feet. This allows for efficient material handling and grading operations. The ground clearance is about 0.97 feet, enabling the dozer to navigate uneven surfaces effectively. Fuel efficiency is a notable feature of the D21, with a fuel tank capacity of 17.2 gallons. This capacity ensures extended operation periods without frequent refueling, contributing to increased productivity on the job site. The undercarriage of the D21 is designed for durability and longevity. It features a track pitch of 5.32 inches and includes 5 track rollers per side, providing a smooth ride and reducing wear on components. The number of shoes per side is 37, which contributes to the dozer's traction and stability. Operator comfort is a priority in the D21's design. The cab is equipped with ergonomic controls and an adjustable seat, reducing fatigue during long working hours. The visibility from the cab is optimized to enhance safety and precision during operations. Maintenance of the D21 is straightforward, with easily accessible service points that simplify routine checks and servicing. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of the dozer. The D21's versatility extends to its compatibility with various attachments, such as rippers and winches, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks beyond standard dozing. This adaptability makes it a valuable asset in construction, agriculture, and forestry applications. Safety features of the D21 include a rollover protective structure (ROPS) and seat belts, ensuring operator protection in the event of an accident. The hydraulic power steering enhances maneuverability, reducing operator effort and increasing control. The environmental impact of the D21 is mitigated by its efficient engine design, which complies with emission regulations and reduces fuel consumption. This makes it a more sustainable choice in the compact dozer category. The resale value of the D21 remains strong due to its reputation for reliability and performance. Investing in a Komatsu D21 ensures a durable machine with enduring value in the used equipment market. Regarding the expected price, the 2025 Komatsu D21 is anticipated to be competitively priced within the compact bulldozer market. While exact figures may vary based on configurations and regional factors, prospective buyers can expect a price range that reflects the D21's advanced features and Komatsu's commitment to quality. For precise pricing information, it is advisable to consult with local Komatsu dealers or authorized distributors. Thank you for joining us on Car Updater. Stay tuned for more insights into the latest developments in construction equipment and automotive technology.